Hey everybody, Richard here with Edudata Consulting, back with episode 3. In the last episode, we demonstrated how to add unit planners to our curriculum map, and this time we're going to demonstrate how we can make edits to those units. So in the sidebar, we can access the units we just created simply by clicking on the My Units button. These units will filter all of the units in the map to the specific teacher who is logged in. So you can see these are the ones that I just recently created. And these would be the only ones I've seen unless I add new ones in the future. So if I want to go ahead and edit the functions, I can just go ahead and open up my document. Of course, I can edit any content in the body of the template, but I also can open the sidebar and dynamically edit some of the data related to this. So I could certainly update the teacher by clicking there and changing the teacher. If this was part of a different course, I could select a different course. Maybe this is actually happening in 9th grade and not 8th grade. If I do that, this will dynamically change the data in the back-end Google Sheets, which are managing this, and also update the Google Doc in real time, as you can notice right here. But I'm going to go ahead and put this back to 8th grade. And that same concept applies for updating the dates as well. We have access to our resource folder directly in the sidebar. If I click that, it'll open up the resource folder in a pop-up window. And when you close it, it will refresh the sidebar as well. I can also, again, having loaded the sample files, I can select any apps that may be of use to me in this unit. So perhaps we're going to be using a lot of the Google products in this unit. So I can go ahead and just select those. And then at the bottom, apply the changes. Now we won't see any of this data directly in the body of the document, but we will be able to filter our curriculum to see all of the places in which interactions with education technology are taking place. And again, we can actually see them listed right here in the sidebar. We can also see if any standards or outcomes have been attached. So it's completely customizable in what you want to track and attach. So with the sample files, I've loaded the Common Core Mathematics state standards. So I could simply click on Mathematics, and this will load a menu of all of the standards. And I can toggle between grade levels. And as long as there's a place in my template where I can put these standards, I can go ahead and begin attaching any standards that will be taught in the unit, right? So I'm going to select those 3, hit submit. These standards will be not only inserted into my template, but also tracked in the spreadsheet. They will also now be visible in the sidebar. So there you have it, updating your unit planner template. And this process is the exact same for working with templates that are Google Slides as well. Thanks for watching.